In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to refresh the look of your site and make it better match your brand or personal style, changing the color settings is one of the easiest ways to do it. In Hostinger Website Builder, you can update colors directly from the section you're working on, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. To get started, open your Hostinger account and access the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the Builder dashboard, click Edit Website. This will open your site in the Visual Editor, where you can make design changes and preview them before publishing. After the editor loads, go to the Header section of your website and click directly on it. The header is usually the top area of the page, where you might have your logo, navigation menu, or call to action buttons. Selecting this area tells the builder that you want to customize that specific section. Next, click Edit Header. This will open the settings and design options for the header itself. From here, look for the Style option. This is where you can change the header background color. If your current background doesn't fit the rest of your website, this is the place to update it to something cleaner, bolder, or more consistent with your overall design. You also have another way to adjust the color. On the left panel, click Style. In this section, you can select the color you prefer. This is useful if you want to explore different color choices more easily, or if you'd like to apply a more polished visual style. As you make changes, pay attention to how the new color looks with your text, logo, and menu items, so everything stays easy to read and visually balanced. Once you're happy with the result, click Update Website to save and publish your changes. This step is important because your edits won't go live until you update the website. And that's it. You've successfully changed colors in Hostinger Website Builder. If you're making multiple design updates, it's a good idea to review the page one more time before finishing, just to make sure everything looks consistent across the site.